What is up, my dudes? We are going to be working in here today. I'm thinking we are going to finally install that Gizzy, that McGizzlesworth right there, so we can access the fuel pump, sender, all that stuff without having to drop the tank. So I got it jacked up right now in the back, and I need to lower the tank down. I don't think there's that much fuel in there. I'm hoping there's not, because I'm just gonna lower it onto my body, and then hopefully the fuel lines and the ground line, fuel sender stuff, hopefully that will stretch enough to where I can just kind of let it rest on the ground. So that is what I'm gonna do. I guess there's slack. What the heck? I'm all set up underneath. That's a welding blanket to protect everything down there. Now, I'm just kind of eyeballing it, measuring, trying to get my spot located. Once I measure and I'm satisfied, Then I will mark it with the Sharpie and get the cutting blade out and start cutting that up. All marked up. Time to cut. No turning back. No turning. No turning back. No. No turning back. The hole is made. The hole is made. Just like that. Got a little overzealous on the cutting in a couple spots, but it's doable. I'm not a fabricator, guys, so now I need to get the edges cleaned up, break out the welder that I've used like twice, and see if I can booger weld this thing in there. Oh geez, this is the part I was worried about. We're prepped. We're ready to start tacking it in, which scares me because this is not my skill set at all. So I'm gonna be winging it. And it's freaking cold, look at. It's cold in here. So I'm gonna see if I can do a couple tacks, and if it sucks, then I'll stop for a second, rethink things. Well, I got this thing welded, and it's so amazing. I don't want to show you guys and make you jealous, but let's just say that it looks like a 14-year-old's acne face. It's not looking that great, guys. Nothing a little foundation can't cover. So yeah, I'm going to use some seam sealer now. I don't know if it's the right stuff to use, but looks like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the underside first, and then that way the underside is totally done. And then I'll work on the upside, and then I'll show you when it's like when it's got all its pretty makeup on, covering all my nasty blemishes. Apparently, not only do I suck at welding, I suck at seam sealing. And I put it on like a 5-year-old puts on makeup. The underside looks fine though, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the tank up. That way everything underneath is done. And then all I have is stuff to do up top. So I'm gonna wrestle this back in. Well, This is a good video on how not to do stuff. You know, I really thought that I could tackle this and do this, and I just suck. I suck at the welding. I suck at the seam sealer. Holy cow, man. This turned out so freaking ugly. And then I just painted that. Let me get a light. Oh, where's the light? Does this thing work? Yeah. There might be barely enough room to get that stuff out of there. I think I only could have maybe pushed it back like maybe 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 if I hammered that back piece of metal around. But if I have to, I can grind the inside of the opening. If I need to get that fuel pump out, it might come out. We'll see, but I'm not happy with this work. I should have, you know, I always try to do stuff myself because I just don't want anybody else working on my car. But you know what? Sometimes maybe you should just call in someone who knows what they're doing. Yeah, if this could have just been welded nicely by someone who knew how to weld this stuff, that would have been a big difference. But I also don't have that many people that do that, and people I do know that I think, you know, I hate to bug them. So this is what it is. I think that when I get some of this new trunk spray coating, I can paint the edges and kind of blend it in and make it not so noticeable. But I guess there's a nationwide shortage or something like that. The parts guy and several people told me that you can't get this paint right now, the like the AC Delco trunk recoating, and that's what I want to use. So I'll keep an eye out for that. When that comes in, then I will definitely buy some, and I think that'll help blend in and hide some of my crap. And I think I'll do the cover too when that stuff comes in. So let me put the cover on and I'll show you the final. There's the cover. One screw wouldn't go in. Might as well just call it par for the job. All right, this job sucks. I'm gonna try and make myself feel better about making a wheel video so I can show those to you guys better. So I'm gonna go work on that now, and I'm gonna call this done. Bye-bye.